Hello, this is Shaq Powers, Deputy Director of Region 9 Economic Development District. If you have been ordered to evacuate because of the Rio Blanco Fire, your homeowners or renters insurance may be able to help with some of your added expenses. Here is what you need to know about additional living expense coverage, commonly called ALE. ALE is insurance coverage that may help pay the additional cost of living somewhere else when you cannot stay in your home. It is commonly included in homeowners, renters, and condominium policies. However, it generally covers added expenses, not every expense you normally pay. A mandatory evacuation order may qualify for ALE coverage when it results from a covered event such as wildfire. However, every policy is different. Some policies may have waiting periods or other requirements, so contact your insurance company and ask specifically whether ALE applies to this evacuation. Depending on your policy, ALE may help with hotel rooms or other temporary lodging, additional meal costs, laundry, pet boarding, fuel, transportation, and other necessary expenses caused by the evacuation. Your insurer can tell you which expenses are eligible and whether approval is required before you incur them. Call your insurance company or agent as soon as you are safely evacuated. Tell them that you are under a mandatory evacuation order because of the Rio Blanco Fire. Ask whether your policy includes ALE, what expenses are covered, whether there are dollar or time limits, and what you need to do next. If a claim is opened, ask for the claim number. Keep every receipt for lodging, meals, fuel, laundry, pet care, and other evacuation-related costs. Save reservation confirmations and emails. Also record the dates and times of your calls, the names of the people you speak with, your claim number, and any instructions your insurer provides. ALE generally pays the reasonable increase above your normal living expenses. For example, it may help with added lodging or meal costs, but it usually does not replace all of your normal household expenses or pay costs unrelated to the evacuation. Your actual coverage depends on your policy. Your safety comes first. Follow all official evacuation instructions and monitor the Archuleta County Sheriff's Office, Archuleta County Emergency Management, and trusted services such as Watch Duty for updates. Pagosa Springs High School has been identified as a location for evacuees, and livestock may be taken to the Archuleta County Fairgrounds. Confirm that these locations remain open before traveling there. Once you are safe, contact your insurance carrier and ask about additional living expense coverage.